Storyteller here. So today friends, notice this. These are angry birds. Oh, I forgot to tell the name of the book, and the name of the book is What's That Sound? So let's begin.
Yeah, so this is our book, What's That Sound? And let's come in the first page. Yeah, What's That Sound? By Laura Gates Calvin. And as you all can see, this is our angry birds and this is a quite cute honeybee. Some days are perfect for chasing leaves. So that is exactly what Peep and Chirp were doing. Then they heard a strange sound. Ding, ding. It was the most beautiful sound they had ever heard. Ding, ding. Peep and Chirp set off to find that sound. They looked in the hollow log, around the big bay, and over the pipes, but they couldn't find the beautiful sound. Ding, ding. There it's again, cried Peep. Maybe it's a bird. Birds sing beautiful sounds, said Chirp. Just then, a grown-up robin landed nearby. She opened her beak and whistled a song. So as you all can see, this is a cute robin and it's grown up, and by the way, it's landed on a sunflower. The robin's song was beautiful, but it wasn't the sound Peep and Chirp were trying to find. Ding, ding. They heard the sound and again followed it. Ribbit, ribbit. What was that? Asked Peep. A frog hopped by. Ribbit, ribbit, said the frog. That's a nice sound, said Chirp. But it's not the sound we were looking for. Ding, ding, ding. Peep and Chirp followed the sound suddenly. They heard humming. What's that? Asked Peep. Answered a humming bird. That's a great hum, said Peep. But it's not the sound we were looking for. Peep and Chirp walked all over listening for the sound. Ding, ding. Along the way, they heard a bee buzz, a beaver cheer, a rabbit thump. Ding, ding. Peep and Chirp kept following the sound. Then they heard a duck singing. It was quack, quack. We are looking for a beautiful sound. Do you know where it comes from? Asked Chirp. Me, said Quack. He started to sing again. Quack's singing wasn't the sound Peep and Chirp were looking for, so they kept walking. Suddenly, ding, ding, ding. There it was, a wind came. Whenever the wind blew, it made beautiful noises. Peep and Chirp lay on the grass and listened to the wind tune. It's the most beautiful sound I have ever heard, said Peep. After a while, Peep and Chirp heard a new noise. Squeak! Peep and Chirp were on their feet in a flash. They had a new sound to find it. So as we all can see, this is a squirrel who does a sound as squeak. Peep and Chirp spent the rest of the day following sounds and discovering all kinds of wonderful things. But at the end of the day, Peep was very glad to hear nothing at all, and so was Chirp. The end.
So that's it, friends. We'll be meeting in the next video with the next story, and please subscribe.